What is akaliogheri?
Akaliogheri. Yeah, thank you for that question. What is akaliogheri? Akaliogheri is a negative spirit. Okay, in the world of the physical, call them men of underworld. Those ndị mkpụrụ mmiri na-anapụ mmadụ ihe na main road n'ọpụ iwe ka. Those ndị agha, their work is to destroy. Their work is to steal. Do you know the same way nwere highway robbers? Yes, that's in Dori. It's a case in which spiritual highway robbers. Those spiritual highway robbers, those spirits now, their work is to take away what makes you great. They will bring in troubles. They will bring in negativities that will take you or distract you from being where you're supposed to be, or to cause as a distraction to you. So that is why we in the spiritual understand that, have spiritual understanding. From time to time, put them in their right place so that they will not be able to destroy things for you. Okay, thank you.